Dear students, in this video, we are doing the third type of formal reply to the invitation. This third type of formal reply is reply to the same invitation that we have done in the third example of invitation question, right? You remember that the mayor of city has been invited as the chief guest on the occasion of opening ceremony of the branch office of Goodwill Limited. ये हमने पहले क्वेश्चन किया है. अब यहाँ पे इसी क्वेश्चन का रिवर्स है, that the mayor is sending the reply to this invitation. So similarly, as we have done in the prior question, here we shall also be doing two type of replies. One is for denial and another for acceptance in the same answer, right? So but you have to take care of this fact, students, that in the examination you will be asked only one type of reply, that either you shall be asked to accept the invitation or you will be asked to deny the invitation. So same type of answer, the same format and same things will be there. सिर्फ आपका लास्ट में ही चेंज आएगा, जैसे कि फर्स्ट रिप्लाई में आया था. Here I have written the both type of the answers, acceptance as well as denial of the invitation. Clear? So as you remember that the invitation to the chief guest was in the letter form, in the formal letter form. Here also the reply to the this kind of invitation will also be in the formal letter format only. अगर चीफ गेस्ट रिप्लाई कर रहा है, जिसको हमने चीफ गेस्ट बनाना है, अगर वो इन्विटेशन का रिप्लाई करेगा तो वो भी फॉर्मल लेटर के फॉर्मेट में ही करेगा. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. सो जब हम फॉर्मल लेटर का फॉर्मेट यूज़ करते हैं तो सबसे पहले सेंडर का डेजिग्नेशन एड्रेस आता है, देन डेट आती है, उसके बाद वी आर राइटिंग द address and designation of the receiver of the letter, right? Then again next step is subject. Subject will be reply to invitation as chief guest. Sir, formal address here will be used, sir, right? This is the salutation. Then we shall be writing, this is to send my gratitude. Here you will take care that when chief guest, when the person who is invited as chief guest will reply, he will reply in the first person, right? In the formal question, इससे पहले जो हमने अभी अभी क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किया है, in that question we have done that the reply to the formal invitation will be in the third person. But if the letter format is being used and the person who is invited as chief guest is replying to the invitation, he will be replying in the first person only, right? This is to send my gratitude for your invitation on the occasion of. Here also we will mention the occasion, किस occasion के लिए उसको invite किया गया था, and then we will mention the date, venue and time, कि कहाँ पे और किस जगह पे किस time पे invite किया गया था. Then a line such as my best wishes for the progress of your company is being sent. इस तरह की कोई line, wishes वाली line send की जाएगी. And then but at the same time I am sending my regrets on my inability to accept the honor as the chief guest, right? Here the person who has been invited as chief guest is sending his denial to invitation, right? हमने denial दिया है, and similarly as was in the previous question, he will be giving the reason for his denial, and he has written that due to my busy schedule, right? So yours truly, same type of complimentary clause जैसे formal letters में use होता है, is being used over there. Again, if this invitation is of acceptance of the invitation, तब आपने यहाँ तक up to this part best wishes for the progress of your company यहाँ से ही मैंने उठा लिया है, बाकी उससे previous answer same ही रहेगा, right? तो sending my best wishes for the progress of your company, I hereby confirm my presence on the occasion. So with such type of sentence, the acceptance to the invitation will be written over here and then complimentary clause will be given.